YouTube, man. So look, y'all, in today's video, I will be bringing y'all another banker, and I want to do so more so like me teaching y'all as to what Forex is. I know a lot of my past videos and the videos that is on my channel right now is more so like advanced, like people that already know what's going on, people that already knows what they're doing. But I do want to bring a new avenue for those people that do want to get into trading. I know it's going to be within a new year in like 4 days. So if you're looking to start trading Forex in 2025, cryptos, I'm not really into stocks like that, but as in cryptos, Forex, make sure you stay tuned. And I'm going to be breaking down as to what exactly is Forex. I'm going to give my take, and then I'm going to be also showing y'all a video that's going to better explain everything in a more so deeper level, you can say, right? So if for those that don't know, my name is Albin, Alwavy Digital Hustler. Some people know me as Forex DHS. However you know me, I'm that guy. I'm the man with the plan. You feel me? But I have been trading Forex for about 3 to 4 years now. I'm going on to my 4th year, and that's just because I started with options first, and then I switched over to traditional Forex, and I've been doing that traditional Forex for about 3 years. So yeah. Started with I Mastery Academy, pretty much left the company and started doing my own thing. So that's how we here now. Like I said, if you look at my past videos, a lot of my videos are just more so advanced and for people that already know what they're doing. So I did wanted to, like I said, switch up the avenue and bring some content for those people that do want to get involved with Forex. All right. So Forex, short for foreign exchange, is the foreign exchange market, which is circulating within $7.7 trillion a day, right? That is how much the Forex market is holding of just investors, hedge funds, private equity, all these different, banks, all these different participants in the foreign exchange market. And us as small, they call us retail investors. I don't trade like a retail investor though. I more so trade the way that the banks do, institutional trading, finding order blocks, SMC, smart money concepts. So like I said, if you're new to trading all of that, you don't know nothing of what I just said. It's like a whole different language. That's one thing I do want to emphasize before I even get deeper into the video, is that Forex is a whole different language. Okay, it is like an English person going into Spain, or a Hispanic culture. Like, it's gonna be new to you. Like, you're not gonna know what's going on. And I just want you to have patience with yourself, patience with the information, because a lot of the stuff is like, if you look at basic or common trading information, it's all just fugazi, it's all just lies, and they're trying to lead the masses in the wrong directions, and that's how they'll make more money, by leading people wrong and people losing their money, X, Y, and Z, right? Now, like I said, for me, I trade more so like the bank, so I trade in a different way that gives me an edge to be on the side with the large amount of money coming into the market, So foreign exchange is, for example, we go to Mexico, we're not going to use our US dollars in Mexico, we have to switch it to pesos. So instead of me going to these different countries and doing this, I do it from my smartphone using brokers, TradingView, and just news, right? Like Forex Factory, other news sites. I use Forex Factory personally, and that's how I can make my decision as to where I want the market to go. But like I said, I have a video for y'all that's going to explain all of this a little bit better, because I know I'm not the best at explaining like the whole overview of Forex. I more so know, like, how to get into the market, how to make some money for real. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and get into this video. Let me go ahead and make my screen smaller, and let's jump into it.
If you have ever traveled to a foreign country, you may have needed to exchange your money. If so, you have already participated in Forex trading. Forex is the short form of foreign exchange. Well, Forex is a bit more than that. For example, companies buy goods from other countries. In order to buy them, they need to obtain the local currency first, just like us when going on holiday. The difference is they will exchange huge amounts. When these companies exchange these huge amounts, they will actually move the price because the demand for the currency that they need increases. When the demand increases, the price increases. With all this exchanging going on around the world, the exchange rates constantly move. This is how it works. When currencies are exchanged, they have a certain price, the exchange rate. As in any market, the price of a currency is determined by the law of supply and demand. If there are many people or companies that want to change euros into dollars, the price of the dollar will rise against the euro, and so the exchange rate will change. Let's use an everyday example to explain how you can actually profit from this. Say you live in Europe and went on holiday to the United States. Let's say that you changed your 500 euros into US dollars at the rate of $1.4 for every euro. You got 700 US dollars, but you do not spend any money at all. So you still have $700 after you come back. After the exchange rate moved from 1.4 to 1.3, instead of getting just 500 euros back, you actually get 538.5 euros. You have gained 38.5 euros simply from holding your money in dollars while the exchange rate changed. This is essentially how we trade in the Forex market.
So, for example, like even this, bro, I don't like these numbers and stuff, what they got. I don't understand it. Like I've been trading for some time now, but I still don't understand. Like, I mean, probably if I do the math and all of that, I most likely would. But I don't. Basically, what I'm trying to say is I don't do this. I don't do this on a normal, so I wouldn't know what this is, what they're talking about. Like, as in, like switching my dollars to euros. All I know is that I'm predicting whether the market is going up or is going down. Like, it's literally that simple in my eyes. That's why when people get shown like stuff like this, they get so confused. Which this is giving a visual and the audio representation of exactly how Forex works. But I so more trade it in a more simpler way, if that makes sense. Like, I'm not gonna sit up here like, for example, I just started my mentorship, which if you want to learn how to trade Forex within the new year, tap in with me, $60 a month, Al Wavy on IG, DM me, we can get started. Or just give you an overview of like what you will get, how everything will go and stuff like that. You know, I have been working with one of my mentees and she's been learning a lot, you know what I'm saying? So definitely do want to open some more spots for mentorship. So if you do want to get started or are interested, let me know. But like I said, bro, I trade Forex in a more simpler way that I don't like all these different type of numbers. I don't stress myself out with this. You feel me? Like I don't see myself just overly cluttering my mind with I want to go into the Great Britain pound and this at $2. Like, I don't do that. You feel me? I just trade what I see on the chart. But I'm gonna let it keep going.
We buy a certain amount of a currency, hold on to it whilst the exchange rate moves, then change it back, making money along the way. How to decide when the right time to buy and sell is exactly what we teach you throughout the rest of our learning lessons. As you can imagine, traveling a lot and saving a bit of money on your holiday budget and then exchanging it, it's not really a practical approach to trading currencies. Fortunately, there is an easier way to do this. You can trade currency through online exchange offices called brokers. What this means is that you can exchange currencies online throughout the day and take advantage of the constantly fluctuating exchange rates. Just as in the example of when you went on holiday, you can buy different currencies and make a profit as the exchange rates change. This is trading the Forex market. Trading Forex online with a broker has many benefits. You can trade Forex from your home or anywhere that you have an internet connection. The Forex market never sleeps. It is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and so can suit your daily routine.
So yes, the foreign exchange market is open 5 days a week. It just closed actually today. It closed on Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. So whatever time that is for y'all, then you know that's what the time that it closed. It opens Sunday at 5 p.m. if I'm not mistaken. I feel like they switch. So Friday at 4, Sunday at 5, and then it does closes at 4 p.m. every single day, and then it opens back up at 5 p.m. And that's just I forgot why is that. I don't know if that's because of like the end of New York session that it just has that pause. But yeah, I like Forex because if, let's say for example, I am out the country, I have 3 days to make my money trading within that time frame of I'm out. Certain things that you may do, you don't have that big of a window. Now I can trade Sundays, Mondays, and Tuesdays, but me personally, I like to trade on starting Wednesday and then trade Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So 3 days. And it has worked for me. That's one thing about trading. You're going to learn yourself over time. You're going to learn the way you like to trade as well. So you're not going to want to trade the full market when you're 3 to 4 years in because, maybe on Sundays or on Mondays, I don't have the best luck or I'm not the best the time frame to be able to do what's necessary and look into the markets, look into the charts. So yeah, so that's why I like Forex because, like I said, you can do it anywhere in the world, whatever time that you would like to. It's just I like to follow those 3 days, and also it's something that it's quick. Like they just said, you can use a broker. The broker usually pays you out with your withdrawal of your profits within the first hour or two, depending on what broker you use. I done had some withdrawals that literally hit within 30 minutes. You know what I'm saying? And goes directly into my Cash App. From my Cash App, I can sell the Bitcoin. From my Cash App, I can directly send it to my bank. Easy as that. Make my money the same day, withdraw it the same day. And it's just liquid. Like, that's why I just love this shit. Because it's like, bro, what other job, what other occupation do you see yourself making this money the same day, pulling out the same day, literally have the freedom to do whatever you want, right? And just make a living off of it over time. You feel me? So yeah, let's continue.
You do not need a huge budget to get started. As little as $150 is enough to begin trading
Really,
and building your account over time. Of course, it will require some learning until you get there, but this is exactly what Tradimo is here for. To help you learn how to trade in a way that can suit your individual lifestyle, and to help you navigate your way through the Forex market.
So yeah, that's pretty much what Forex is and how to trade it. Like I said, this video was more so for the beginners that don't have no idea what it is. And hopefully what I just spoke to y'all can influence y'all to get started within your journey trading Forex. It's not going to be easy. You're going to have to learn yourself over time. Like I said, it's not going to be easy. You're going to have to literally switch the way you look at life just because it's contradicting. Like, for example, in life, they tell you, oh, don't fail, don't do this, don't do that. But in Forex, you have to do certain things to learn and pick up things to make you better over time. So you have to fail. Like, you have to take losses. You feel me? I took a loss this morning to then switch it to a win because the first loss that I took, okay, I got that position out the way. I got that thought process out the way. Okay, I think it's finna go there. Oh, it didn't. Okay, cool. Now let me go ahead and put this position in. Same thing. Both of them were sales, only that the second sale was higher. And I got a better entry, and now I'm in profit. You feel me? And now we're going to see next week what it does. I'm going to hold this trade until it hits stop loss or it hit take profit. If they give me another trade, let's say Wednesday coming around, and my other trade is still going, I'm going to put another trade in because I like to trade at least 1 to 2 trades every single week starting Wednesday. Okay? So that's just my rules that I have. So you're going, like I said, you're going to have to learn yourself over time. You're going to have to give yourself rules and guidelines to make yourself a little bit better as a trader, because if you just go in just willy-nilly, bro, you're gonna get willy-nilly results. And trading Forex, really investing period, you're gonna get burnt if you don't know what you're doing. Like, real talk. Like, if you don't take the right precautions as to investing, bro, you can lose all the money. And that's just the risk that you have to be willing to take. Me personally, I don't care how much I lose at this point no more trading. Like, I don't. Like, I risk so much money. Well, I invested so much money within the skill that now it's like, bro, I'm so deep in, like, I'm not quitting, bro. I don't care what happens. Like, no está pasando. It's not happening. Like, it's grits, bro. It's over with. Like, this is what I'm doing. Set in stone. But hopefully I do. Yeah, hopefully I did get some value from this video and I did learn something new. If not, stay tuned, man. There's a lot of gems, a lot of good information on here. This might be a little refresher for those that do trade and just needed a reminder of what they got themselves into. But yeah, man. I'm see you on the next video, man. Y'all trade it. Y'all keep attacking the markets. Everybody else, man. Y'all stay safe. DHS out. Okay.